know what kind of shoes you wear. That ain't slick to me.
As it drags you down. It's not slick, surprisingly.
It's parts of the club.
Oh man, it's gonna go over my boots. It did. Find my other deer horn in here. I'm coughing it up.
I found it's mine. There it is right there.
Oh. It did.
Huh?
It did.
Yeah, it's flat though, ain't it? Knock the dirt stuff out.
See if I can't cut my foot off down here.
Alright, here we are. I had a subscriber get a hold of me, wanted me to send him a autographed picture, whatnot. I told him I'd do him something better, so that's what we're doing today. A bit of flint napping, and we'll make him a necklace. After he gets it, I'm going to send this video out. Chipping out nicely so far. Real pretty green material too. We'll see what we get out of it. See what we get out of it. This is a bottom of an old glass Coke bottle I found. It's broke. So I thought, well, I'll make airhead out of it. If you got a cup in it like that, you want to work with it with the cup down first. That way you get the cup out of it, and then you can make your point. Oh yeah, that thing's gonna come out nice, I think. I hope. Can't get this face off here a little bit better. That's happening anyway. I don't really want to thin your material down the opposite way just quite yet. You will get a little bit of it, but just making an edge for you can knock the other side off first. While I'm coming at it steep, that's why I'm making an edge for it cups down for I can drive a flake. Setting up a platform is what it's called. working that cup off. Not liking how this is trying to do here. Well, it's starting to get into a triangle form. So I'm gonna go down to the flaker here instead of the bopper. Start getting it in the shape. Flaking off pretty. Yeah, chicken. Me eating no glass, that's for sure. Put some ears there now. I'll come down here about right there. Well, the camera died somewhere in that process, but we working on the ears now. Still on the ears. Shaping it up a little bit, almost done. This material's been fun to work. There you have it. Pretty nice one. Well, I got that part mounted on there. I put a little bit of glue on there. That is a deer horn button. carved out, sanded down, got it on the point, and I'm gonna wrap it, let it dry, and we'll get it on the necklace. All right, get back, turkey. My turkeys are deciding they're gonna help. They're all behind me, right around here. What are you doing? Little gobbler. Hey, you, mister? No. Maybe it was. Oh, there he is over there. He's getting pretty good size. Anyways, I'm going to film the rest of this necklace here. I've already got it starting pretty good. This is real hemp, real glass marble, and I've got a airhead I napped out of a bottom of a old green Mountain Dew bottle, and I got it attached. Yeah, with deer horn. Deer horn that's got it attached to. That's gonna go on the necklace. But anyways, this is how I do it right here. Get this back up there. Anyways, all right, get a bead here. And tie my knot off the end here. Look at that turkey. What do you want, man? Put the bead on. Maybe. Oh. Try again. Ah, bead on. Next bead. And tie it off again back here on my little nails. I got nails all through this board. Tied on different sizes, necklaces and stuff. Okay. Just take the next one. Alright, there we are again. Put another bead on. We get further along, I'll get back with you. We're at the halfway point here. And what I'm going to do is so many wraps. Alright, right there is halfway in the necklace. So what we're going to do now, pretty necklace. Spread him out. Just like so, see. Alright. I'm going to tie my string back off. Like so. Okay. Turkey, get out of here, bro. Get out of here, man. Go on. He's trying to eat the airhead. He's jumping up there grabbing that airhead. Okay. Just another bead on here. Let's see, that's a good looking one right there. Goody. All right. All right, buddy. There you go. That's a old green Mountain Dew bottom I napped. That's deer horn that I found shed horn hunting. This is real hemp, real glass marble. Then at the top, I have to trim that off. Anyways, you got a loop, then you got a bead. Just stick it through there. It latches. Check that out real quick. Looks bad. Alright. Hope you like it. Thanks for being a fan.